My head! My head! This was a mistake! Oh!
Hello, I'm Mrs. Bowtie. I've been with this organization for 1 month, and in that time, I have identified several critical inefficiencies. This is the Plucky Comic Relief.
Yo.
We transitioned from reactive gardening to a structured operational system. Every task now has a purpose, a timeline, and an outcome. In fact, we now operate on a color-coded system. Green indicates growth. Yellow indicates risk. And of course, red indicates bow tie. There's nothing on there.
I'm confused.
Okay. Previously, decisions were made impulsively. Now they are made correctly. We've reduced inefficiencies by 37%, and we are on track to exceed 80% by the end of the second quarter. We have implemented a centralized planning structure where nothing grows without oversight. Bowtie, you're drifting.
I don't know where the seeds go anymore.
Your actions are becoming inconsistent. Are you unclear on the planning system? No need to be overwhelmed. This is what structure is for.
Okay.
Clarity creates control. Control creates results. And results...
Oh, my head. Oh, my head. Oh, blood. Oh, tell the Bowtie Bunch I organized nothing.
Bowtie, are you okay?
Yo.
I suppose the Plucky Comic Relief doesn't survive structure.
What are we doing tomorrow, Mrs. Bowtie?
The same thing we always do, Bowtie. Organizing the garden and then taking over the world.
Did we schedule lunch? If this gave you a laugh, like and subscribe. And tell me down below, are you organized or are you me? Your garden doesn't have to be perfect.
It just has to be yours. Have a blessed day, friend. Where nothing grows without oversight.
You've got to be serious.
I'm sorry.
This is going to have a blooper reel.
Let's do this again. That part, there's nothing on there. I can take the throwing of the seeds. Okay, let's do this again.
Where are we starting?
Centralized planning structure. Let's see if I can get that out.
If this gave you a laugh.
There's a roly-poly crossing the brick. Or something. There's something
Where the sat? All right.
Okay.